Okay. So our next topic is what are the topics are what are the topics pending? See, we have to discuss lookups and descriptive flex fields, and another pending topic is trees concept. Okay, so these two all are the pending, and remaining is percentage. These are all very small topics. Okay, so pending these two we can discuss in one class, and today we will discuss trees. Okay, so just go into the global search. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me explain you what is meant by tree and why we use trees, and what is the use of trees and those things. Okay, trees in the sense, the simple way, trees in the sense to define the which one comes under the which one. What it means, sir? Tree structure in the sense something else like this, where you can see parent and child nodes. Like, suppose how many trees that we have? We have totally 4 trees, sir. That is first one is organization tree. Okay. And second one is okay. And third one, apartment trees. And fourth one is position trees. Listen carefully. Why we what is meant by trees and why we use trees. Okay. Suppose example, suppose example, trees in the sense department tree I can define like this: D1, under D1, D2, D3, D4. These are the 4 trees that we have. Okay. Under D4, we have D6 and D7. Under D2 that we have, under D2 that we have D8, D9. Okay. C, we call D2, D3, and D1. These all are the nodes. Clear? So, what is the use of this structuring the department, structuring the organization? Okay, structuring, the geographies. Why geography trees? Why we supposed to structure? Raghu, does this structure is comes under the enterprise structure or workforce structure? No, it does not comes under the workforce structure and enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. These all are the futures. Okay, that Oracle provides. Why we create in the why we see? Suppose example we are created totally 7 trees. Departments. You can make a tree which one works under the which one, which is a higher one, which is a lower one. That you can define it by using trees. Okay. So now, okay, Raghu, that's okay. And what is the use of this creation of trees? Use of creation of trees in the sense, see, the main usage is, okay, security. In security, that we use this tree structure. Where, see, suppose example, I want to provide access to the one role. Okay, okay, to one role from D1, D8, D9. then what we will do? We will create a job role and we will attach in the security profiles D2, D2 department. Then D2 department tree. Okay. From this node, we will attach D2. Then what happens? Employee can see the information which all are coming under this department. Hope you understood. Hello. How many of you understood? Understood? Srinu, Akhil, Sai Kiran, Pratap. You guys there?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. In security profile, what we will do in the sense, there in the security, we will handle what is the information that an employee is supposed to see. Then for a role, if I am attaching D2, parent node at the security profile, and we are creating one data role, that data role, if I am assigning to any employee in the sense, he can see only D2, D8, D9. In that way we can restrict data security. We can restrict employees to see certain amount of data. Now, what is meant by this calendar event, sir? This is the few. This one is in absence management. We use this calendar event where you can give the holidays. Okay, you can mention the holidays. How, sir? So, see, suppose example in the geography tree, all the countries will come, right? All the countries. In the calendar event, there you supposed to choose. There you supposed to choose geography tree or organization. Only two options will be available. Okay. So if you are using the geography tree, it will consist all the countries there. Okay. Within the countries, all the states. Suppose example, India, all the states. Within the states, all the district. You can select the country over there and attach that one to the, there is a concept called worksheets, work pattern, okay, work schedules. These are the concepts are there. Now, for now, you just, I will discuss in depth in absence management. For now, you can observe like geography trees we will use in the calendar days, calendar events in order to achieve holidays for certain country or for certain location. Okay. Now, another one, sir. Another one is very rarely that we will use. That is uh, approvals. There is a concept called workflows and approvals. There also we can use this calendar trees. Okay. So now, hope you people are understood. Hello. Got it? Shall I create a tree? Now. Okay. See, I'm creating one of the tree and I will create department tree or position tree. Two trees I will create, remaining you can create. Just how to create a tree, I'm explaining over here. See, come here, click on create tree over here. Okay, just give the name. Okay. Okay, just click on next, and submit. See, then see, we created a tree, right? And which is Common set that I used. The tree structure is coming over here under this table. We have table names, sir. Under this table, backend this tree is going to store. Once we are created a tree, just click over here, create a version. What's it? See, first, what you have to do, create. See, it will ask, sir, in the interviews, what are the steps that you have to follow? Okay. And second option, create version. Once you created the tree, you have to create the version. What is meant by version, Raghu? I will explain. Okay. See. Version I'm giving V1. And over here, start date I'm giving. Okay. Tree version created successfully. Create OK to add the node operations. See. Then once you created version, add nodes. Nodes in the sense, these all are the structures. These structures. Okay. You may get the doubt, Raghu, why we are creating the version? Version, why we are creating in the sense. See, suppose example, I want to see, I'm created a tree. I'm created a tree. In certain days, certain years, after 20 years, after, suppose example, after 3 months or 6 months, initially I'm created a tree department tree in this way. But after certain months, business comes, Raghu, D6 is not under the D4. It should be under the D2. Then what you have to do? You have to create another version. You have to ask them, okay, you are created this tree 1 by 2000, effective of 2000. From this date, start date that you are created this one. When at that time over here it is like this only. Then end user is coming and telling like Raghu, I want D6 should be under D2. Then you have to ask the client from which effective date it should be work. From which effective date. Then you have to come there and you have to create a version, new version. Over there only you have to create, you have to remove D6 from the D4 and add it under the D2. Okay, so now at the effective date at that time, if you are giving the effective date is 1 by, okay, 4 by 2000 like this. Then previous one over here it is there, right? Working under this one. This one is up to 31st March 2000. Okay. 1 by 2002, 31st March 2000. This tree structure will be there. If you want to apply new changes, then you have to ask the end user what is the effective date. By using this effective date, then you have to change D6 under D2. Then if you are work without without effective end date that we are creating new tree structure version, then previous one will be end dated by 31st March. How many of you understood? Hope it is clear to you. Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
Yes, Raghu.
Okay, super clear. So now what I am doing, just nothing, sir. Just click there and add specific value from referred hierarchy. Okay, search. Okay, come here, take any one of them. Okay, so see, when I am choosing this one, it is asking for add tree node. Okay, now it is added. Okay, now coming to choose this one. After choosing this one, okay, specific value, okay, value from the referred hierarchy. By default, you can choose same thing only. Then after, if I'm adding, see, it is coming under this one. See. Okay, now then after, click on plus. You can add in this way. Sir. How many that you want, you can add tree node. Okay. Then you can submit this one. You can submit this. Created successfully. Okay. Now click on done. Setup and maintenance. Okay. See, under this one is created. This tree is created. Hello. This version is created or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, once you choose this one, and come see the status, you can observe, sir. It is in draft mode. It is in draft mode in the sense. Is it available to use? No. You have to come down over here. You have to make it status over here. See, status should be active. Okay. You have to keep it as active, or else if you are keeping audit also, it will become as active. So next step is, now what is the next step? Make it active. Hit active version. Okay. So now I'm just making this one as active. Okay. Now see, once you want to active this one, it will navigate you to audit, online audit. Okay. What does it mean, sir? Why it is audit? Till now, whatever, so the departments I choose, the department that I choose, whether I choose logically correct or not, whether those all are logically correct or not, in the tree structure way, that audit will be happens over here. See, just on this audit is completed, then click on OK. Okay, then click on done. See, now it is became active. See, now these department tree structures are available to use. How many of you understood this topic? Hello. Okay,
Raghu,
yes,
can
Raghu.
you tell once again that?
See, the thing is, first you have to create. Okay, so I can create another one also. Another position tree I will create. First thing is like we have to create. Then after version. Okay, let me explain complete explanation of this one. Now, come here. You can create new version of this. Choose this one. Create a version again. Okay. Now, V2 effective start date I can give. Okay. Click on next. Notes you just create, sir. Okay. Add to tree. Complete. Just click on submit. You will successfully submit it. Okay. Click on done. Sometimes it comes like this way. Well, let's just do it. Not an issue. Okay. Okay. Come down. Then I created a new version. Come here. For this new version, status, I want to keep it as active. Click on online edit. Click on OK. Oh, audit something error occurred. Error occurred or all completed? Seems it is error is occurring. Just come here and click on next. So see, error online audit error is occurring in the sense that means whatever the department that you choose, totally irrespective. Understood? Totally irrespective. That's the reason it is not allowing you to, it is not drafting. Drafting in the, it is not allowing you to active. Okay. Don't get bothered, sir. In test environment, if you are not able to active in the sense, don't bother. Just create another one, make it active. That's it. Why? Because you don't know which department and which department is comes under the which one and all those information that you know don't know correctly. So what it means, sir? What online audit will check? Suppose example, in the you are choosing the department. One department that you are choosing, D1, from one legal entity. Another department that you are choosing, which one comes under the department 2, department 1, which is another country legal entity. Okay, another country legal entity. So in these scenarios, online audit will get failed. Okay. If you know the information like which departments are comes under the which country. So if you want to make a tree, create one country. Create 5 departments. Okay, which comes under the same country. Same country in the sense, how, sir? You just attach to the same business unit. That business unit is attached to the same legal entity. That legal entity comes under the same country only, right? Hello. At that situation, then only it will, what, sir? Then only it will be, what I can say, active, or else it will not be, becomes active. How many? Hope you are understanding what I'm trying to explain. Okay. Then I'm trying to create a new tree version. Let me see. I want to show something to you. Let me choose V2 I'm giving. April 1st I'm giving 0. Let me see notes. No, I don't. Do you want to use the same of this one? Create the node tree structure. Okay, not a issue. Answer. Just click on plus new. Let me submit this one. If it allows, then I can show it to you some. Let me make the audit, make it active, online audit. Here you go. Again, it's getting error. No issue, yeah. Okay. I want to show it to you something. Once again. See, online audit, why it is getting error that you understood, right? Hope you understand the concept. Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
I will create the position tree. That's not a problem. Actually, I want to create a new version over here. If I am giving the date, if I am giving the effective date for the new version as April 1st, 2020, what happens in the sense automatically previous version will get effect will get end dated by March 31st. That one I want to show it over here to you. But it is not, I'm unable to choose the correct departments over here. If you want to choose, if you want to make it online audit active, successful, then try to create one department, 5 departments or 4 departments under the same country. Then it will allows you to make it active. Got it or anything? I'm choosing. Okay. 5th point I'm writing over here. After creating new version. Okay. Previous version. Well, end dated to new version. New version. Start date minus. Clear? Now, I will show you another tree so that you can understand easily. And department tree is completed, right? Now, position trees. Click on position trees. Very fastly I'm creating, as you know how to create this one.
రఘు కోరెచ్చాడు చెప్తున్నారా రఘు?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mahesh, it
two
takes only 2 days. Today and tomorrow also, it takes Poricha to complete. Last option.
Okay.
Only 2 days.
Okay, రఘు.
Now, test position 7. Okay, so I'm creating the position tree in the same way. Position tree and organization geography trees that we will create in the same way. See how I am creating. Now click on next. Click on next. Submit this one. First we will create a tree. Then after, choose the tree and create the version. I'm just choosing V1 and you can give the effective date. Okay, and click on next. Click on plus. Okay, first one I'm choosing. Add to tree node. Okay. Choose this one. Then after, search. Okay, second one I'm choosing.
Raghu, here, why it is adding under the another node?
Under the
It should add separately, right? For node. Node is different, right?
first node is parent node is there, right?
Yes.
One should be high super node, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
under this one you can write.
Okay, that is the parent node, first
under
one.
Divya, you can choose this one. Under Divya, you can search anything. I'm giving the blank search. I'm adding third one. Add to the node. See, under Divya it will come. Next. click
Yeah,
on-
but once it is comes under one other, right? So after,
See, what is first you created D. Okay. Under D1, I'm creating D2, D3, D4. Got it?
okay.
Okay, I'm created D1 under D2, D3, D4. Got it? After that, you have to choose D2. You have to choose D2. Then you have to add D8 and D9.
Okay.
Got it? Choose D2 and click on plus symbol. Okay. Now, see over here version is there. I'm just clicking on status active. It will show it to the online audit. Let me see if it is success or not success. Oh, success. Thank God. Okay. Click on done. Okay. Then after, come here. Clicking on new tree version. Just click on done. Done. V2 I'm creating. I'm giving the effective date is April 1st. Click on plus, search, adding choose this one, add another one, search, okay, submit, click on done, okay, come outside. And again, I'm doing the search, global search. Okay, come down. Let me uh, when it is coming in. Let me do this. Ah, now I'm able to. So it is expecting us to actually automatically this one should become as inactive here if I'm creating this one as active. Why it is expecting me to create this one?
Raghu, but can we have multiple tree versions in active status?
Should not be.
Yes,
Actually,
because
actually the expectation is so system is expecting us to create make it as inactive here. Then only it is becoming the active.
yes. So
Okay.
because whenever we are creating versions, it will ask us to enact or something.
Actual expectation is now the system is working in different way. Actual thing is, let me explain it to you. In previous batch also it is worked in the same way. See, if I am choosing, now system is expecting us to create in this way. Position trees. See, I created this one, right? At which date? Till 1 by 25 2, I created. Then after another one I created. If I am keeping active this one, previous one will be become as draft up to effective date of 31st March. Okay. This is the expected behavior. In your organization, it will work in the same way. Okay. You no need to end date this one. Second versions start date, before date itself, it will be end dated. Why it is not working in the sense? You have to look into that. If the same thing is happens in your organization, you have to raise an SR. That's it. Any doubt? Hello? Got it? Any doubts? Doubt anything? Or clear?
Clear, Raghu.
Akhil, Sai, Sai Kiran.
No, once we practice, then we'll get something.
That's true. Sai Kiran, hope you got it.
Yes, Raghu.
Super. Okay. So now another two topics are pending. These two and these small things. Okay. So now let me see within we have very less time. We'll see. Okay. Cannot see. Okay. We can continue tomorrow. Because it takes some time here. Lookups and descriptive flexible, I have to discuss it together. Take some more time. Okay. So just